Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by stabilizing the car and protecting its memory. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and remove the key. Once done, connect a 12V memory saver to the OBD port or cigarette outlet to keep modules live. This preserves radio presets, seat positions, and ECU adaptations. Make sure you have the right wrench, gloves, and safety glasses at hand. I explain why power loss can force module relearns, so maintaining 12 volts avoids hours of resets and potential drivability quirks. Now you remove the old battery carefully. First, disconnect the negative terminal to prevent shorts, then the positive. This order reduces spark risk. Keep terminals from touching metal body parts. Next, loosen the hold-down clamp and lift the battery straight up using both hands or a strap, because batteries are heavy and awkward. Inspect and clean the cable ends and tray. A baking soda paste neutralizes acid, then rinse and fully dry. Make sure you understand why. Clean contacts improve charging and reduce parasitic drain. Finish by seating the new battery with the same orientation so cables reach comfortably. Tighten the hold-down clamp just enough to prevent movement. Too tight can crack the case. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative, and only after that remove the memory saver so modules keep continuous power. This prevents losing learned settings. Start the car, check headlights, radio presets, HVAC memory, and key fob functions. If a module shows misbehavior, try disconnecting the negative for 1 minute then reconnecting. Sometimes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.